Welcome to Jurassic World Toy Hunt here at Walmart here. We're gonna do a clearance sale here, but I'm gonna tell you something. For some reason, the Jurassic World tail Jurassic Spinosaurus at $39.97. Buy this at Walmart only. Target sell it for either $49.97, but majority of Target sell for $49 now, but still $1.50 more. So buy this Spinosaurus at Walmart only. And number two now is Target is cheaper on this Jurassic World Rebirth. Why were the Baryonyx, the Mosasaurus here? They're $16.97 here at Walmart. Target sell for $15.49, so there's $1.50 difference here. So now Target is cheaper on this Baryonyx. This used to be $14.97, so Walmart raised this price to $2 more. I don't know why. So Target is cheaper. Do not buy this Wild War Baryonyx and a new one at Walmart. Target is cheaper at $15.49, and Mosasaurus. Here's the other set here. They got the Utah-raptor and the Triceratops too. Even the new Wild War set is cheaper at Target. They're $15.49. This is Lab Lock Jurassic World. Is overpriced. It's $29.97. It's only at Walmart. I did not see this at Target at all. There's no sound effect. It is pretty nice looking detail, but the bad news is it's just a good detail, but there's no sound effect. I wish there was a sound effect on this and it'd be worth the price, but it's not. And this Jeep Jurassic Park Jeep Wrangler still $24.97, and Jurassic Dino Rammer $747 still here, not selling. The Smashing Hats not selling too, it's $5.97. Don't forget the Strike Attack. These raised the price by $1. It used to be $11.94, but now it's $12.94. So even Target is at $12.99, so it's 5 cents more expensive. We only got the Tapajara here, and we got the Usasaurus here too. So, and these frenzy packs is $8.97 still. They only got Ini here, and this Duo Dino is still $24.97, of course.
Intelligence boost.
And of course, we still have the Spinosaurus here. Let me get this going. The Spinosaurus mask is 1986. And this also has a sound effect here. It's 1986. The Spinosaurus mask here have a sound effect, so it's pretty cool. Halloween's coming up, so this should be on sale pretty soon. See it. Good news that the noise is on here. So this is 1986 here at Walmart here. And one of my favorite, of course, is the Ultimate Damage, $29.94. I'll wait till this is on sale. And the Ultimate Damage INDORAPTOR is $39.97. These are 2 must buy. They brought it back in the summer, so it's going to disappear again. So you're the last chance for this. And my favorite, Jurassic World Chaos Theory. And this is more expensive here at Walmart too. It's $34.97. At Target, it's $31.49. So it's $3 more here at Walmart. And I remember Target had this for $18.49 3 weeks ago. So, but I'm gonna show you some of these clearance. For some reason they got a clearance sale here at Walmart here. You got the Shark Fire here. Clearance price is not here. It's probably a different price. Sorry about that. Let me get you another one. Here's the Elite Load Up here. It's $14.50. originally $23.88. So you save about over $8 here. There's 14 shots here. One of my favorite here is only $15 here. It's used to be $24.88. Here is the Nerf Zombie Corruptor here. $15, original $24.88. This is awesome. There's, I'll bring it down for you. This one has 22 shots available for the side. Look like on the back. Come with a magazine. Hit the whole 18 darts inside this magazine here, and you can have 6 more on the side here. This is the Nerf Eruptor. There's 6 more on the side, and you can fit 18 on this magazine. And it's, like I said, it's only $15 here at Walmart. So a must buy. A lot of Walmart, these are all gone. This Walmart has like 4 left. I'm gonna purchase 1 more. We also have the Nerf Zombie Driller. It's $14.50, original $23.88. This has 16 Nerf shots here. This one can fit 8 on each side on the bottom of the shotgun here, and it fit 5 darts rotating cylinders. There's 5 here too. There's a removable scope on this one too, and you got a hammer priming on this one. So it's a hammer prime. It's a removable scope here. There it is, and you can fit 5 darts there. I prefer you buy this one. It's way better. The Nerf Corruptor for $15. This is $14.50 and less shot. So it's get 50 cents cheaper, so it's not worth it. Let's see any more around here. Let's go around. We'll show you one of the Lego that's on sale here. Clearance is original $66, now it's $51. Is the Wild Safari Animal, the 3-in-1 one, which I love. These 3-in-1 is one you could have a giraffe in this one, a lion, and look like a antelope here. So see, there's also flamingo here. So flamingo, giraffe. You got the lion, look like a butterfly kind of type, and you got some antelope with the baby antelope. So I guess you got some trees too you can get on these. This is awesome. So this 3-in-1, you can get either, you can make the giraffe, flamingo, the lion with the butterfly, or the antelope here, or Giselle, whatever this is. So it's only $51, original $65 here. I don't see any more sale around here. All these are regular price. I'll show you a couple sale here on this one that I got. They got these Super Friends. Not this one. Super Friends $5.97. Oh, they got these Growling Grub food truck here. It's $23.50 from $29.90. We got the Charger Crane here. $16 from $17.97. This is on clearance. The Super Loop Tower headquarter is $78, originally from $98, so you say $20 here. So all you Paw Patrol lover and all you Star Wars lover here, we got the Star Wars here, Imaginext here. You got R2-D2. It's almost, it's more than, it's half price. It's $40, originally $7.84. I'm gonna show you this clearance here that you get here at Walmart. It's on the clearance aisle for all you bubble lover or something here. They got some Star Wars Mandarin here, $29, $48, $21. We got this bunch of balloons, X-Shot Here's $55. Now it's only $29.97. Save $20 here. And our this X-Shot skin here is only $4. That's pretty good here. And we got these title shirts here. The water gun here is only $5. So any water feature here for the summer is on sale here. So the bubble barrage only $4, originally $9, so 50% off. And bubble set here, any bubble set here is on sale now. It's $3.50. And we got this one too, the bubble chain trim combo set here, chainsaw. It's only $3.50. That's pretty good. We got these jumbo 4 in a row outdoor set here. And I guess, yeah, I guess it's for night or day. I guess it glows here. It's only $44.97. You know, bunch of bubbles here, $13. We got the 3-in-1 sports. 3-in-1 sports sets for the kids here. It's only $4.50, pretty cheap. And these are must buys here. See these at these amusement park and stuff. These shark bubble wand. These are only $3.50 here. Originally these are $8. I know they sell these like $15, $20 at all these fireworks, July 4th weekend, amusement park, you know. So this is a must buy, $3.50. And also these two. These are only $2. These bubble blaster, very fun here. It's only $2 for these. It's a must buy, so $2 here. And we got these toss game, 75 cents. The horseshoe one here for the little kids. This is fun, 75 cents only. And these pickleball sets, only $1.50. Yeah, $1.50 or $2.50. This is $2.50 here. So $1.50 here. So some chalks here for 50 cents. And we got this puppy bubble blower. It's only $4. So Walmart even had these shade loungers for the pool. It's only $11. That's quite a few sales for Walmart. Here's another pickleball, LED pickleball portable set here. It's $29.94. So any, oh, here's another one here. Transformer. Say 2, let's say 4 here, but maybe you can get it for $2. I think these might be $2. If I can get it at $2 here for transformer sets here. We got more on the side. We got these click throw play set, $2.97. These foam football here, it's only $2. We got the Power Spring Title Striker, it's $4. So all the pool bubble sets, another bubble set, so on $3.50. So they're on sale here at Walmart. So take advantage of this here. There's a bump and go bubble dinosaur. That's pretty cool. Only $5.50. That's and also we got Stitch. Only $5.50. So you also a musical. It's got the sounds on this musical bubble machine. This one include bubble. This include the solution. The other one didn't. So go to Walmart and get your bubble machine, all your pool guns and stuff. They also got these bubble containers of $2. You save $1, use it with $2.94 here. Don't forget, we got Sonic here.
Gotta go back.
It's $34.97.
I'm Sonic. Holy sherbert! Gotta go
Let's look around here. Oh, finally, Walmart got the Power Devour here. This is only at Target, so Walmart finally got it. They're $53.97. First time I see these at Walmart. Also the launch and battle vehicle set. First time I see this at Walmart. They're usually at Target only. This is one of the best Velociraptor they got here. So Power Devour here. And here's the other Utah Raptor. I'll buy this at Target because this is $1.50 more here at Walmart. So, and don't forget the Lego set here. We got brick built Mosasaurus, my favorite. It's $59.97. We got Raptor Off-Road Escape. And I think it's $49.97. And the TRex River Escape. It's also the same price. And we got Jurassic World. Oh, sorry, Raptor Road is the same thing. I'm sorry, Raptor Road is $39.97. Raptor Off-Road Escape is $39.97, and the T-Rex River is $49.97 here. Baby Dinosaur Dolores here, $27.97. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.